Welcome to my channel. Is your Wi-Fi signal weak in certain rooms of your home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the NETGEAR EAX20 dual-band AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 mesh range extender step by step so you can enjoy faster speeds, stronger coverage, and seamless connectivity throughout your home. Step 1. Unbox and plug in the EAX20. Start by unboxing your NETGEAR EAX20 extender. Inside the box, you'll find the extender, power adapter, and setup guide. Plug the extender into a power outlet near your main router and wait for the power LED to turn solid. Step 2. Connect to the extender network. On your smartphone, laptop, or tablet, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default NETGEAR EAX network being broadcast by the extender. Step 3. Open the setup page. Now launch a web browser and type mywifi.ext.net into the address bar. This will open the NETGEAR setup wizard for the EAX20 extender. Step 4. Log in and start setup. Create an admin account or log in if prompted. Then click on New Extender Setup to begin configuring the device. Step 5. Connect the extender to your Wi-Fi. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and allow the EAX20 to establish the connection. Step 6. Placement and performance testing. Once setup is complete, move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Test the connection speed and make sure you're getting strong coverage in every room. And that's it. Your NETGEAR EAX20 Wi-Fi 6 mesh range extender is now fully set up and ready to boost your wireless coverage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tech setup guides. For instant help call 1-803-381-0141.